Mama, spell what you're seeing on my screen.
Okay. COLOGNE.
Oh, yeah, pronounce it.
Collagenal.
Collagenal.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
Pronounce this word.
COLOGNE.
You say?
COLOGNE.
Cologne.
Yeah.
Spell what you're seeing.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
COLOGNE.
What?
COLOGNE.
Use cologne in a sentence.
A random guy walked up to me and asked me to pronounce a word. COLOGNE.
The grace, thunder fire you.
Cologne. Chop, 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 chop. That was a beautiful nonsense. It's not cologne, it's cologne. Say cologne. Say cologne.
Cologne.
Cologne are like perfume where they spray. You understand? I mean cologne.
Some of you are just evil.
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce them.
Cologne.
You say?
Cologne.
Use cologne in a sentence.
We must learn a lesson.
I pour you speech. You want pour me speech? I don't first pour you.
Yeah.
Cologne fall on you there.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
Pronounce this one. No be you. You're not my darling. See my darling here.
They will put that sticker.
My darling. Pronounce this one.
Cologne.
Spell it. Spell it.
Cologne.
Spell what you're seeing.
COLOGNE.
What's that?
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
I just bought a bottle of cologne.
Alright, give me money, let me give her. Alright, take. Buy water for yourself. Bye. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
It says what?
Cologne.
Use it in a sentence.
I don't know the meaning. Now.
Bro, pronounce this word.
Cologne.
Salopwa.
You say?
Cologne.
I bought goat.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
It says what?
Cologne.
Use cologne in a sentence.
I like cologne.
I don't bought goat.
You like cologne?
Yes.
What is cologne?
It's the action word, a doing word.
Jesus!
Really?
Yes.
Jesus!
That was a beautiful nonsense. So. That was a better nonsense. Chai, Odogu, you bad. Sharply, this is gonna be super fast. Pronounce this word. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
My dad has an expensive cologne.
Oh, beautiful. Give me 1K, man. Give this guy, babe. This guy too much.
Do transfer.
Take 1K. You say, do some fast. I found 1K. Never dream with that. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Did you know that you can get fantastic bonuses on 1xBet? I'm sure you don't know, so come close, let me fill you in. First of all, you have to register on my promo code Falani with the link in the description. Then you fill in your personal profile just before you deposit. Don't forget to click on participate in bonuses because only then you qualify to win the bonuses I'm about to talk about. If you do that, you get up to 700,000 naira and 150 free spins. Don't dull yourself. Falani is the promo code. Let's jump right back into the video. Oh shit.
Hey, sir, pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
And now your head correct.
Pronounce this word.
Collagen.
What? Wait.
Why are you running?
I wonder.
We are together. Wait. We are together. Wait. We are. Mama, pronounce this word.
Which one be that one?
Pronounce what you deceive myself.
At this my age, now go pronounce this kind of thing. You say it good.
Now you call me now.
You say it good.
Try. Mama, pronounce this word.
At this my age, calculate this thing. How many figures? I don't know feet.
Mama, pronounce this word. Mama, try.
Ichoko.
Not pronounce it, Mama, feel you.
Coco.
Standby.
Mama, they feel you.
Hey, me to pronounce Colali.
Hey, spell what you see.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
College.
See? Mama, pronounce I feel.
I don't
Pronounce your own.
Colign.
Colign.
No, collagen. No.
You say?
Collagen.
Say?
What if he say I don't go fit that my age young cannot fit call am? You don't see me.
I never see this happen.
You don't call her now.
Use it for sentence. Use it for sentence.
The collagen no fit. I don't know. I no fit use am. But that's not collagen. I don't know what I go fit use am do.
Use collagen for sentence now.
I no fit to.
When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
Man, let me collagen now for you.
I no go school.
Man, let me collagen you. Let me collagen.
20 years why I be. Now this one content you like this. You good like that.
Under something.
102 years.
Mama, pronounce this word.
Collagine.
Phone number.
Mama, say what?
Collagine.
Collagen. Mama, spell your sin on my screen.
Okay. COLOGNE.
Oh, yeah, pronounce it.
Collagine.
Collagen. Oh, use collagen in your sentence.
Gene.
Use collagen in your sentence.
Yeah, you gene every day.
You what?
You gene every day. Any other phonics on it?
Madam. Hello. Now you do all this kind of thing.
You said this one is collagen, right? What's this?
Collagine.
Collagen. Use collagen in a sentence.
Okay. Everyone have to do it with happiness so that you can win what you need.
If you don't have collagen inside, now put collagen inside the sentence. Make a sentence with collagen.
Collagine. Yeah, you in different angle you give cola nuts to those who come and visit you.
No, they where God keep you abeg.
Outside that, in Collagine, are you there?
No, I'm not there. I'm not there.
Eugene every day, just like you, looking smart in your genie.
Oh, chim. Wow. In your genie. I beg, give Mama 1K, make she buy hot cold water, SARS.
Transportation.
Give her, make she take her water, SARS. She go feel collagen well. Have a nice day, Mama.
More increase to your efforts.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah, you will win all.
Thank you, Mama.
Ooh.
My senior, I need to know this one. Pronounce this word.
Is this not Kononi?
What?
I think it's Kononi now, right?
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
Can't really get this one.
Pronounce it, let me see.
Oh?
Pronounce this word.
Oh boy, I can't really get that last word.
It's cologne. Say cologne.
Cologne, exactly.
Have a nice day, man. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
Cologne.
I don't know.
Blood of Jesus.
Mama.
Mama, listen.
Do it. You can do it. Do it. You want to leave
Leave your rice. How can I leave my rice and run? That is very important. I can never leave my rice.
Oh yeah, look here. Pronounce this word. Cologne. Now. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Cologne.
Use collagen in a sentence.
I don't know.
Think now, just make any sentence with collagen.
I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. The sun have touched my brain.
One brain, not the head.
The sun has not.
It have touched my brain. My head is hot.
Sorry. No, Allah. Pronounce this word.
Collagen.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Collagen.
Colo what?
Gene.
Colo.
Gene.
You supposed to be a dinner man.
Use collagen in a sentence.
I've not heard the word before.
You know the collagen before?
Yeah.
How can I make it in life?
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Precious.
Precious, look here. Precious, look. Pronounce this word.
Collagen.
What?
I don't know how to.
Be bold now. Spell your sin. Spell it.
Collagen.
Spell.
COLOGNE.
Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Collagen.
Oh my God.
Colo.
Collagen.
Oh Oh yeah, use it in a sentence.
I don't know.
See, let me tell you something. Something is silent here. Pronounce it.
DG.
Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Bam! Nana, you sabi am now.
Oh yeah, correct. Nice. Give her 1K, give her 1K. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right. How are you?
Fine.
Oh yeah, do this. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Use it in a sentence.
I took my boyfriend's cologne.
Thief.
Okay, give her. Stop taking your boyfriend's cologne. No. Now they finish your boyfriend's cologne. Be careful.
I'm robber.
What's your name?
Good luck.
Good luck. I wish you good luck in this question you want to answer now. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Cologne.
Yeah.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
Cologne.
Use cologne in a sentence.
I don't know what it means, so I cannot use it.
All right, have a nice day. Where is the matriculants? Where are they? The two both of them. Oh yeah, see. This one is simple. You can do this. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Use it in a sentence.
I use cologne like part of my deodorant.
All right, nice. 1K for you first. No fuck up. My bro, if you do fuck up, bro. I know you can do it. Pronounce this word.
Babe.
Cologne. What?
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
Your cologne smells nice.
Oh my God, give me money. Give me 1 pa. Take, buy cold water for yourself. Nice one. Pronounce this word and win.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
Cologne now. Okay, Cologne is a club in Germany. Is a city in Germany.
Okay, it makes sense. Oh my God. All right, have a nice day.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Jesus.
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
Cologne now.
Use in a sentence now.
It's Cologne the road.
Use it in a sentence.
Okay. I don't have any clue.
Come on, get top off from there.
Pronounce this word and win.
Cologne.
Give her one. Give this guy one. Give her one. Come. Mama.
Huh?
Pronounce this word.
I did not see it though. I did not see it.
You not see it? Abeg, give mama.
Come on. Please now. Please, I did not see it.
Give mama 1K, make she take water. Give her 1K, make she take water.
Senior bros. You are.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Technology.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Pronounce it.
Cologne.
I dey throw school fees, I don't know.
Use cologne in a sentence.
Oh, wow, that one no go work. I don't even know what the thing means.
Say what this again.
Cologne.
Cologne.
Yeah, Cologne. Indian.
Arrest him. You're under arrest.
Hello.
What is cologne?
I don't know.
You don't know the cologne?
I don't know what to be Cologne.
It's not cologne, it's cologne. Say cologne.
Cologne. Okay.
Cologne a perfume. Perfume, where you spray. That perfume where you spray that cologne. Say cologne.
Cologne. Wow.
All right. Spell.
COLOGNE.
Oh yeah, pronounce.
Cologne.
Use in a sentence.
Okay. The cologne you put is very nice.
Wow, you like my cologne?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
What?
Cologne.
Spell it.
COLOGNE.
Oh yeah, pronounce it.
Cologne.
Use this in a sentence.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, they struggle.
I've not heard the word, Sha.
You were not informed.
Make a sentence with it.
I don't know what is cologne.
You don't know what is cologne?
That's the sentence.
Okay, nice sentence. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
What?
Cologne.
Use it in a sentence.
I wore the cologne today.
You say you what?
I wore a cologne today.
Okay. I say I weird.
No, I wore.
Maybe Drew be that. Now, Sam, pronounce this word.
Fuck shit now.
Pronounce this word.
No.
Pronounce this word. Allah, bro, now pronounce this word. Pronounce this word.
Cologne.
This guy don't do before.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Pronounce this word and win.
Cologne.
This work where you they do now, your mama no say you they do.
I know say last of all one night you go end up.
What's up, guys? Today's word is pronounced cologne. I don't want to hear cologne, cologne, cologne. I don't want to hear that shit. Cologne is a perfumed liquid made of essential oil and alcohol. I don't want to hear cologne, cologne, cologne. Don't try that shit, man. Damn, it's cologne. Somebody say cologne. See you on the next video. If you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. Share this video to friends and family so they will learn book. Okay, let's go.